Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a server for Factorio. It's actually a lot easier than a lot of other servers. All you have to do is forward a port and make a bat file. But the first thing you need to do is open up File Explorer, and at the top bar type in %app data, enter, and go to Factorio and then saves. Now in here you'll see all of your worlds you have in Factorio. If there's nothing in here, you need to make one in the game. But basically find the world you want and just make sure you memorize the name of it. So in this case, I need to memorize world 1, and spaces do matter and caps as well, so just make sure you memorize it. Next thing you want to do is go to this PC, local disk, then go to program files x86, scroll down to Steam, click Steam apps, common, and Factorio bin x86. Side note, you also might want to make a shortcut to this because you're going to be going back here a lot to start your server. To do that, just right click on your desktop, click new, and shortcut. Go ahead and drag this to the side and just copy this to the top and paste it in here. Next, finish. Then anytime you need to get back here, you can just double click. Next thing you want to do is right click in the white space, click new, text document. Go ahead and name it start. This is what you're going to be double clicking to start your server. After you name it, right click it and click edit and type in factorio.exe space hyphen start hyphen server space, and then in quotation marks put the name of uh, your world. So in my case, world 1, and then put a .zip at the end. So make sure that's all in the quotation marks. Next thing you want to do is just click File, Save As, and then add a .bat. Click Save. Go ahead and X this out. You'll notice there's two starts now. You want to delete the text document one and keep the batch file. So as you'll notice, if you double click the batch file, it'll run the server. So this might look like a lot of gibberish, but as you can see here, it says it's loading the world. And if you have a mod installed, it should say, yeah, so I have a mod, air filtering, and you can see it popped up right here. If you want to know how to install mods, you can watch my video. But any mod you have in the mods folder, the server should load. Now you will need to forward a port if you want anyone outside your network to connect to your server. The port is 34197 UDP only. If what I'm saying is gibberish, go ahead and watch a video on how to forward a port. And then all you need to know is that the port is 34197 and then UDP only. And then if you do that, other people outside your network will be able to connect to your server. Now, there's a few things you need to know about the server. You can't run the game and have the server open at the same time, which is kind of annoying. At least I can't. Maybe it works on other computers, but for me, I can't. So if that happens to you, the only way you can get around that is by making a virtual machine or just using another computer you have lying around the house. It's a little obnoxious, but it'll work. Also, for people to connect to your server, they'll need to know the IP, the port. So if you don't know how to find what your IP is, just go ahead and open Chrome and just look up Google, what is my IP? So this is my IP. So when someone wants to connect to your server, you'll go to multiplayer and then connect, and then they'll type in your IP. So when someone wants to connect your server, they'll just take your IP, and they'll put it in the connect little text box, and then put colon, and then 34197, and then that's what they'll use to connect to the server. So yeah, that's how you make a Factorio server. If you have any issues, please let me know. Sometimes the server will boot up and it'll just disappear. That normally means you have some error, but if you have any issues, please leave a comment below. I'll help you as soon as I can. Um, and if you like this video, like it and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this. Anyways, thanks for watching.